In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to defer parsing of JavaScript in WordPress, an essential technique to enhance your website's performance. This method ensures that your site loads quickly and provides a smoother experience for your visitors. Follow along as we navigate through the steps. First, you're going to head over to wordpress.com, a comprehensive platform where you can manage everything related to your website. Once there, locate and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your WordPress dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This control center for your website allows you to manage content, design, and various settings. Next, focus your attention on finding the Lightspeed Cache option on the menu. Lightspeed Cache is a powerful toolset for optimizing your WordPress site. By utilizing its capabilities, you can significantly improve loading times and overall site performance. Click on Lightspeed Cache, and you will be directed to its main panel. Here, you'll find an array of tools and settings designed to optimize different aspects of your website. Your next stop is the Page Optimization section, so go ahead and click on this option. This section hosts multiple configurations for optimizing your page's load time. Now, within Page Optimization, the next step is to access JS Settings. This is where you'll be adjusting parameters specifically related to JavaScript. Once you have clicked on JS Settings, you'll see a range of options, including the one you're looking for. Load JS Deferred. Click on Load JS Deferred, a feature that will allow you to defer the parsing of JavaScript files on your site. By enabling this, JavaScript files will be loaded only after the main content of your web page has finished loading, thus improving the initial loading speed of your site. This helps in providing a better user experience as the content becomes visible to site visitors much earlier. Once you've enabled Load JS Deferred, remember always to test your website thoroughly. Check across different browsers and devices to ensure that there are no adverse effects on functionality or layout due to these changes. Sometimes, specific JavaScript functionalities might need tweaking to work well with deferred loading. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively deferred the parsing of JavaScript on your WordPress site, aiding in faster load times and improved site efficiency. Optimizing your website in this manner not only enhances user experience, but can also positively impact your search engine rankings. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials on managing your WordPress website.